Hi, it's Dr. David Kulla here with my favorite exercises for scoliosis. This is level 2. So if you haven't done level 1, make sure you start with level 1 first and then move up to level 2 after 4 to 6 weeks. And make sure you know where your curves are, your scoliosis curves, lower back, mid back, upper back, S-shaped versus one curve. A lot to know, right versus left scoliosis curve. But once you know all those things and you've had an x-ray done, you're ready to begin level 1. And of course, this is level 2. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. Feel free to comment below and hit that thumbs up button.
Stand with your legs at hip width apart and your feet firmly on the floor with your arms by your side. Reach one hand down to the side towards your knee, leaning your body with the movement. Hold this position. Lean to the other side, hold this position and return back upright. Note, the stretch can be increased by reaching overhead with your arm. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place one hand on your hip. Extend the other hand into the air, leaning over to the side while you increase the stretch by pushing your hips in the opposite direction. Hold this position before you repeat on the other side. Stand on a step and allow one leg to hang off the step. Bend your standing leg a little. Then hike your opposite side hip up and then let it come down. Stand up straight and step one leg forward slightly further than a normal stride's length. Keep your body up nice and tall and your gaze ahead. Begin shifting your weight forwards and backwards, allowing your front leg to bend a little as you move the weight onto it. Add in the arms. As you move your weight forwards onto your front leg, raise your opposite arm up into the air. Move your other arm back as much as possible, leading with your palm. You may find yourself rotating towards your front leg. Return your weight to your back leg, lowering your arms, then repeat. Stand up straight with your arms by your side. Take a large step forwards and bend your front leg. Sink your hips forwards and down while simultaneously reaching the opposite arm to your front leg up towards the ceiling. Allow your body to lean back and over a little. Step your front leg back to join your other leg and repeat. Ensure your front knee always bends forwards over your little toe. Lie on your front with your hands under your shoulders, palms down. Push yourself up into a plank position with a straight line from your head to your heels. Keeping good strength in your shoulders, push your hips back and up to make a V position with your body. Focus on driving your hands into the floor and pushing your tailbone out. Hold this position, then move back to the starting plank position. Continue through this position to drop your hips down towards the floor. Focus on not hunching, keeping your shoulders relaxed, your neck long and relaxing your back. You should feel a gentle stretch in your back. Hold this position, return to the starting position and repeat. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Pull your belly button towards your spine and clench your buttock muscles to roll the tailbone up off the floor. The majority of the effort should come from your abdominal and buttock muscles. Your lower back should press firmly into the floor. Relax and repeat. Start on your hands and knees, with your hands under your shoulders, and knees under your hips. Tighten the abdominal core muscles. Extend the opposite leg and the opposite arm simultaneously, making sure you maintain good control in your torso. Do not allow your body or hips to rotate. Repeat on the other side. Start on your hands and knees with your back in a neutral position. Arch your back, lifting your head up and pushing your tailbone out, making a dish with your spine. Hold this position. Next, bend your back up by tucking your head and tailbone in and pulling your belly button in towards your spine, making a curve through your back. Hold this position, and then repeat. Start in a kneeling position. Place a stability ball in front of you and reach over the ball to the other side and put your hands on the floor. Steadily extend your opposite arm and leg, maintaining good stability in your body. Return to the start position and repeat using the other arm and leg. Kneel with your upper body resting on the ball. Have one arm above your head and slightly to the side. Shift 20% more of your weight to the side you are aiming to activate your gluteals, and which is the opposite side to that of your moving arm. Now gently tense your bottom muscles, then lift one arm so that it is close to your ear with your elbow nearly straight, using the muscles around your shoulder blade. Twist so that your upper body rotates as your arm comes back. Keep your low back stable on the ball and gluteals activated. The movement is similar to a freestyle swimming stroke. Your upper trapezius muscles should remain relatively relaxed throughout so they don't load your neck. Hold this position, and then relax. Lie on your front bent over a stability ball. Stabilize your feet on the floor. You may find this exercise easier to perform by putting your feet up against a wall. Hold your hands by the side of your head. Lift your chest upwards and extend your body on the stability ball, drawing your shoulder blades and elbows back. Return to the start position in a controlled manner and then repeat.